The magic of English listening. Lily loved to talk. She would tell stories about her school, her friends, and even her dreams. But one day, her best friend Jake said, "Lily, you never listen to me." Lily was surprised. "I do listen." Jake shook his head. "Not really. You hear me, but you don't listen." Lily didn't understand. So, she went to her grandmother for advice. "Grandma, how can I be a better listener?" Grandma smiled and said, "Listening is like opening a treasure chest. You find amazing things when you really pay attention. Let me give you 3 magic keys to unlock it." Lily's eyes lit up. "Magic keys? What are they?" Grandma held up one finger. "First, look at the person speaking. When you look at them, you show that you care about what they are saying." Lily thought about how she often looked at her phone while Jake talked. "Okay, what's the second key?" "Second, don't interrupt. Let the person finish their words before you speak. Sometimes the best thing to say is nothing at all." Lily nodded. She'd like to talk a lot. "And the third key?" she asked eagerly. Grandma smiled. "Ask questions. When you ask questions, you show that you're truly listening and want to know more." Lily thought about this. The next day, she met Jake and tried the 3 magic keys. She looked at him while he spoke, didn't interrupt, and asked questions about his story. Jake grinned. "Wow, Lily, you're really listening." Lily smiled. She had unlocked the treasure chest of listening, and inside, she found something precious, a happy friend.